Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys know, on my Jeep we're gonna do an axle upgrade, and we already have the rear axle ready to go, but we are also replacing the front. It is another Dana 30, but it is geared for 456, so it'll match the rear. Today what we're gonna do is open it up, check it out, check inside, make sure all the gears are good. That way we don't have any issues when we go to install it on the Jeep. And if we do have any issues right now, then I could go get it fixed before we install it on the Jeep. So let me go show you the axle. So the axle is over here with all our other parts and stuff, but what we have here is a Dana 30 with, like I said, 456 gears. We are gonna upgrade the bushing to the iron rock flex joint, and obviously this has been sitting outside, so we have to do wheel bearings, definitely doing ball joints as well. We're just gonna open it up, change the oil out. Chris's dog over here going crazy, make sure everything in there is good, but she wants to play. Another tip when you're opening this up, try to start from the top, because if it makes any grooves on the edge and if it's at the bottom, you might have an oil leak after. So start at the top.
There's a nice little gap right here, Johnny.
Perfect, we'll start there.
Easy.
You see what I'm talking about? How all the oil just goes down. It looks gross. Looks like it has water in it now. Look at that.
A little bit. Hey guys, you think he needs new bushings? I think not.
Oh, they're fine for another 100,000 miles. Is that metal shaving? Ooh.
Yum.
Me twisted.
Guys, we're trained professionals.
All right, so good news on the gears. I was going through them, and this is the worst area that I found. It's a little pitted. I should test it with some of the yellow paint, but we're just gonna send it. I mean, it doesn't look like there's any damage.
Try to stay with the yellow paint.
I don't think we have it anymore.
Yeah, we did. It's in the box.
All right, well, we'll test it later. Right here, I was looking up at the numbers. So these gears are G2, and if you look at the end, 456. So we have a matching set for the Jeep, 456 gears, baby.
Let's go.
Let's go. So for now, we're gonna put this back together, cover it up. That way, no water in case it rains or dirt gets in there. We don't have that much time today, so once we're ready, we're actually gonna clean this out and then put new oil in, and that'll be once we put it on the Jeep. And like I said, the plan for the front axle is ball joints, wheel bearings, and then new oil in it, and it should be good. We're also gonna do a little paint job on it just so it looks nice. And for the rear, it's ready to go. We're gonna do a paint job on that too, and then it's ready to install. It'll probably be between 2 and 3 weeks before install it, because we have some things going on, so we don't have enough time to do it. And we also got some things that we have to do to Chris's Jeep. I mean, he's been experiencing some death wobble,
Yeah,
right?
I've been going like this for a while.
So what we're gonna do to his is,
track bar and the upper control arm bushings.
and the bushings, we got them from AutoZone, and the track bar is from Trailforge. It's the one that was on my Jeep previously. My Jeep's not here. I rode the bike. So we definitely have more content coming out for you guys. We've just been a little bit busy right now, so we'll get back to a schedule, 3 videos a week soon, but for now it'll be like 2 videos a week. And it's also summertime, and we have the rooftop tent in Chris's backyard that's been there for like a whole year. We never cleaned it last year. This year we're gonna clean it. We're just waiting for a hot day. That way it'll dry out during the day. Like wash it.
Year and a half.
Whatever. So we're gonna clean it. We're gonna refurbish it, make it look like new again. And that'll go on my Jeep as well, because who needs gas mileage? Whatever. And also, what do you guys think about me starting a Facebook page where you guys can ask questions? I get a bunch of DMs from you guys asking questions, and I think it's better if we put it in a Facebook group, because that way I can answer it if I see it, and other people can answer it as well, like things that I don't know, because there's things that I haven't done on the Jeep and you guys ask me questions about, and I always say go to a Facebook page and ask. What about if I start my own? Is that a good idea? Is that something you guys want? Anyways, that'll be it for today's video. I know it was short, but we'll see you on the next one. Peace.